Hybrid bikes in 2026 are more versatile than ever. Perfect for commuting, fitness, and everyday riding without sacrificing comfort or performance. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can get confusing fast. So today we're breaking down the top 6 best hybrid bikes of 2026 that are actually worth your money. Let's get into it. This is Ride Nexus. Top 6 best hybrid bikes. Number 6. Boardman Hybrid 8.8. The Boardman Hybrid 8.8 has a carbon fork paired with its alloy frame, the fork being a nice extra to improve comfort over an alloy or steel number. The bike's geometry is quite racy, so you're not sitting as upright as on many hybrids. There's a smart-looking one-piece bar and stem, which gives the Boardman Hybrid 8.8 a stylish air, although it makes for fewer adjustment options than a more conventional separate bar and stem. The bike comes with a single chainring 10-speed Shimano Dior group set. That's a good combination, lowering complexity by eliminating the front derailleur. The wide-range cassette still gives lots of gear range, although it does result in quite large jumps between ratios. We reviewed the women's Hybrid 8.8, but there's a men's/unisex version too, which differs only in its size range and contact points, saddle and bar width. It's well-spec'd for its price and comfortable and fast to ride, although we'd have liked wider tires for more off-road adventures. Number 5. Specialized Sirrus X 5.0. The eye-catching carbon frame design of the Sirrus X stands out and, along with the Future Shock 1.5 headset, adds plenty of comfort. You can fit tires up to 42 mm wide too. Reflective paint ups your road presence when riding after dark. The combination of a 38-tooth chainring with an 11 to 50-tooth 12-speed cassette gives a wide gear range, although we found the SRAM Eagle NX shifting a little unrefined and that it lacked the top-end ratios for higher speeds on tarmac. There's a more road-going spec available if you do want higher gearing and skinnier tires. The Sirrus X 5.0 feels light, fast and very comfortable on road and in its element on bumpy off-road. When its built-in compliance features make it very smooth, even with tires at higher than ideal pressure, to avoid pinch flats. The wheels and tires are both tubeless ready, allowing you to lower pressure and add even greater comfort and grip. The price is high for a hybrid, but the Sirrus X isn't your normal hybrid, and its clever design will up your riding enjoyment no end, even as the component spec is underwhelming for the price. Number 4. Triban RC 500. The Triban RC 500 is a speedy hybrid bike that's more tarmac than off-road orientated, and will suit those riding mostly on the road. The carbon fork supplies phenomenal value and adds an enormous amount of comfort to the ride. The bike's head tube puts you in an upright position from the off. Out on the road, you're left feeling in control of the bike, but also comfortable, with the aluminum frame absorbing a good amount of the road's lumps and bumps. Just because it has a focus on comfort doesn't mean the RC 500 is slow to respond. We were impressed by the bike's fast acceleration and how well it holds its speed. Newer riders will certainly be impressed by its turn of pace. It's a great price for a great bike. The mechanical disc brakes are okay, but worth a hydraulic upgrade if you see a good deal. There's a compact 50/34 chainset boasting a rear cassette replete with a wide spread of gears that will see you up and over most hills without sacrificing flat speed. The tires warrant a special mention, having proven their robustness over the course of commutes, and many more shards of glass. The tires and the wheels, another Decathlon in-house product, form a fine partnership and can even be set up tubeless should you want the extra security. If you are looking for the best hybrid bike at this sort of price point, and are after plenty of versatility and dependability, then look no further than the Triban RC 500 flat bar. Number 3. Priority Bicycles Continuum Onyx. The Priority Bicycles Continuum Onyx includes front and rear lights, fenders, and uses a Gates carbon belt drive system with a continuously variable rear hub. It's unlike most anything on the market and offers the advantage of reduced maintenance and no chance of grease on your clothes. If you want a bike that feels at home in the urban jungle, the Priority Continuum Onyx might be the perfect solution. Both the frame and the fork are made from aluminum, a material common at this price point. It's light but stiff and easy to work with. But what's really unique is the continuously variable new Vinci N380 CVT drivetrain. What you get is roughly the same gear range as a common 7-speed chain-driven bike, but without distinct gears. Shifting happens with a grip shift, and there is a smooth progression from easy to difficult. It has a carbon belt instead of a chain, and all the shifting components live in the rear hub. The system is silent and requires no real maintenance, which is why it suits as one of the best commuter bikes as well. With the Priority Continuum Onyx, there is no real point of comparison on the market. It's possible to get other hybrid bikes in the same price range with a focus on different features. It's also possible to find cheaper bikes, but if you want something with this unique mix of features, this is it. There's simply nothing else out there that's quite the same. Number 2. Tenways CGO 600 Pro e-bike. The Tenways CGO 600 Pro has an alloy frame and fork with a slender battery enclosed in the down tube. It's a low-maintenance design with a lubricant-free Gates belt drive that Tenways says should go up to 19,000 miles without servicing. Tenways says that the bike is weatherproof, but should not be stored outdoors regularly. Assistance comes from a 350-watt, in the US, rear hub motor, which gives a 53-mile claimed range and includes a torque sensor that helps ensure that the power output matches your pedaling input. The battery locks into place, but can be removed for easier charging. The on-bike LCD display gives plenty of data and allows you to switch between the 4 assist modes, and there's an app which lets you log trip distance and other data. The CGO 600 Pro has Tektro hydraulic disc brakes. It's kitted out with grippy tires, mud guards, and an integrated front light, although there are no water bottle cage mounting points. Tenways sells its range of commuter bikes part assembled, so there's a little work to get everything set up, with some tasks a little tricky. The bike is supplied with some useful extras like a mini pump. The handlebar grips were a little uncomfortable with bare hands, but they're easy to swap out, and a pair of cycling mitts would solve this. Number 1. Ribble Hybrid ALE. We test rode the electric version of the Ribble Hybrid L, the Ribble Hybrid LE, and loved it so much we gave it a Cycling Weekly Editor's Choice Award, as it's one of the best hybrid electric bikes we've seen. Offering a smooth level of assistance from the eBike motion system, coupled with decent range and a fully loaded spec, the Ribble Hybrid LE can handle the daily commute as well as anything, but being both capable and rewarding, it's certainly not restricted to A to B rides, and could take you on many adventures. The aluminum frame features elegantly shaped tubing profiles, including pencil-thin, drop seat stays for added compliance, and a distinctive drop drive side chainstay design. There's a step-through frame option as well as a frame with a crossbar if you prefer a bike that's easier to mount and dismount. Ribble has spec'd a full carbon fork on the Hybrid ALE to help keep weight down while still retaining a good level of steering stiffness and much-needed vibration damping. The Ribble Hybrid ALE is really quite a joy to ride in most respects. It has an engaging handling feel and a build quality that turn it into a bike you look forward to riding rather than a dead and dreary commuter. At this price point, you get a fully loaded electric bike with a superb frame, quality motor system, and really decent parts. The Ribble Hybrid ALE certainly offers almost unbeatable value when compared to its rivals. If you want a non-assisted bike, the Ribble Hybrid AL is available in a range of pre-built specs, many of which come with mud guards and a rear rack. So those were our picks for the top 6 best hybrid bikes of 2026. Let me know in the comments which bike stood out to you the most. And if you're into bikes, e-bikes, and the latest riding gear, subscribe to Ride Nexus for more reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.